Hey, Robert Stutzinger here, coming to you from my home office on beautiful Lake Michigan. From time to time, I'm asked what is the best browser to use or what browser do I use? And the answer to that has to do with what you are looking to accomplish on the internet and also your preferences, what your preferences are as far as a browser go. There are three categories basically that browsers can be divided into. There's like, mega browsers, which are browsers that have everything. There are lightweight browsers, which are designed to minimize the amount of CPU and memory that you're using while you're browsing. And then there's a category we'll just call other, which is all other browsers. And those are like specialty browsers that people use for specialty things. And a lot of times those might have to do with preferences on different kinds of layout that people want to use for different kind of specialty projects or things like that. So when you think about web browsers, you have to divide it down into 5 categories. And those categories are speed, security, ease of use, features, and flexibility and expandability. And for my taste, I've been using the main browsers I've used, the browsers that I've basically used exclusively for most of the time I've been on the internet is Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and FireFox. Those are the three that I use. I actually use all three, but I use Google Chrome most of the time. I think it's faster. It has the best security because it has malware blocking, and it also another thing, it has flash support. That's the kind of thing that's nice. It just has a lot of things that are kind of built in. Updates just update in the background, and they just go on, and you don't have to make sure you update every once in a while or update your browser or anything like that. It just happens automatically. It's silent in the background. So those are some of the reasons that I like Google Chrome. I still use Firefox from time to time when I have a problem with Chrome. Sometimes I have problems with Chrome, and I actually even use Internet Explorer sometimes. And actually, what happened? It seems like what happened was Google Chrome came out, and they, you know, were better. They seemed better than the other browsers, and they were better than the other browsers. And Firefox kind of fell behind. But then Firefox started updating and doing a lot of things, and their browser got really good again. And then eventually, Internet Explorer, which was kind of sucky, has done a lot of things, and their newest browser is pretty nice now too. It gets you around all right. So it's just a matter of what works best for you, what you feel most comfortable with, what what you like using, and I recommend having all three and using any of them that you feel like using at the time you're working on the internet. So that's Robert's recommendation. I'll see you on the next video.